Hello, my name is Saurabh. Today we will be continuing with the tutorials on programming computational fluid dynamics. So today what will I do is I will post-process the results which we will obtain by using the code that we have been writing for last few tutorials. So let me start by just copying this line, that is the line which writes to the file inside the loop, so that now we will be writing for every iteration we will be writing this solution file. However, if we do this, there will be a lot of solution files, and to reduce them, let me write it only occasionally. So if the time iteration is divisible by 5, so that is after every 5 iterations we will be writing it, is equal to 0, then we will write to the file. However, there is one small issue in doing this. We are already writing this file just before starting the iteration, so that we can save the initialization. So for that reason we will add 1 here, so that it does not get written, this file does not get written the first time. So that seems fine. So that is one thing we would like to do. Post-processing is very important, because if there are any mistakes in our code, then we will have a chance to rectify them. So let me run this code, and we should have our files written into our project folder. So yeah, let me first of all delete this, and I will rerun this code, so that we have only the solution files written. Okay, so there are 25 of these files, that is the solution files written. Let me also run our Python code, so that we have the picture files being created. Okay, so let me now look at the solution and see if everything looks fine or not. So its steps in time looks to be correct. Okay. Oh, here there is one issue. The endpoints are at 0. I think there is some problem while in copying, so let us try to rectify it. However, the inside points seem to be getting copied properly to the ghost cells. However, these points for plotting purpose are not being copied properly. If the ghost points were not being copied properly, then the solution would have not moved from the right hand side to the left hand side. So let us try to rectify this issue of these points not being plotted properly. Okay, so let us look at our code again. So here ghost cells are being updated properly. However, the problem seems to be in this step, copying to the 0th RK step. Here let us look into this code. So here the problem is that we are copying all the cells, or actually we are iterating through all the cells and copying the value. However, the corner cells, that is the ghost cells, are not updated. So to take care of that, we should only iterate through the inside cells. We should not be iterating through the cells which are which are in the ghost cells. So to take care of that, let me change it. So I should start from only the inside cells. So it should start from number of ghost cells and I is less than the last cell, which last inner cell plus 1, so that is equal to config dot number of x cells plus config dot number of ghost cells I plus plus. So that seems to be fine. Here we don't have cell defined anymore, so it should be cells I, and here it should be cells I again. Okay, so everything seems to be fine now. Let me now try running this code again and let us see if there is any improvement. Before doing that, let us remove all these files just to make sure that we are not looking at old solution again. So let me run this code, and inside this folder we have our files created. Now let us run the Python script and create the plots. So let us minimize this, and here Python is working to create this plots. Now we have all our plots done, and let us see if the problem has been resolved. Yeah, looks like the problem has been resolved now. The ghost cells seem to be getting copied properly, or actually the ghost cells are not being copied now anymore, because we don't know the solution of those ghost cells, and those are updated only while applying the boundary condition. Okay, so it looks to be fine. Now I'll pause the video here and I will do the post-processing of the results, and I'll get back. I'll start recording this video soon.